Oh, wow. And so clap don't scarce for this country. I beg you now, if you not be clap for me, I want clap for our president in diaspora, Abacha. I want clap for her. That man is doing wonderfully well. The only man that is crediting us from the land of the dead. That man gave us $200 and something billion pounds sterling. EFCC never find them and they know where they bury him. This country don't rugged though. Anyhow you want to escape. Even if not suicide, commit. We are tired. They say na life wire, not to hold them die. Or die, not die. We are already dead, we are just living. This country, they don't confuse us now. They just swear in president. I know they fear because I don't even know if I don't die or they are alive. They just warn him in. They swear for her. Now, I get 3 messages for her. Where cameraman wanna face me? I have 3 messages for Buhari. Number one, face me. Where you go? Number 1, tell Buhari, say as they sign am in this second term, oh, now they wait my talk. So that tomorrow, Monday, they go talk, say, fast rising comedian MIDE COKER died on 3rd Mainland Bridge. We don't know where to kill him. This country, I bet they say Nollywood people there, I bet I make clap for them. Nollywood. The ones where they subtitle well, the ones where they subtitle well. Because that thing follow for waiting they kill us for this country. You go to watch Nollywood. All those, when I tell those Yoruba actors and actresses, it will be by force to subtitle. As I did like this, I they carry paracetamol, waka up and down. They don't give me a headache. Odunlade tell Madam Shaje, Mommy me, mo fẹ́ lọ sùn. Subtitler. My mom, I want to go and sleep. In Mama, Madam Shaje tell him, oh mommy, go sunre. Subtitler. Okay, my son, rest in peace. We are tired. Stop giving us nonsense. If wanna just stop him. Now, I mean, they talk about Yoruba people there. Yeah? Oh, Yoruba. Hey, mommy, Fashola. The last time I saw you was when I was 7. Yeah. I see Daddy every day. I greet him, he doesn't answer. You never get light for our street too. As I go as now, I go call us, I beg, light today. If they say you know they, I go sleep here. See light everywhere. Ladies and gentlemen, good night. MIDE COKER.
Good morning, my neighbor. How are you doing? Are you feeling okay?